Hello guys, welcome to my Filmora tutorial. In this tutorial I will tell you that how can you add end credits like in the film and movies in your video. I'm using this footage, yes, multimedia. Yes, I want end credits in the end of this video. When this video end, I want end credits. So what you can do, simply you can see a titles option, click on this, it will open a menu. In this menu you can see here end credits, click on this and it will open the credits. You can simply double click if you want to watch credits. See this, amazing. Now drag and drop at the end of the video and it will show you credits. If you want your own names you can do this. The credit 1, I want my name as Najem Sakib, and there's tutor. That's looking good. Hit OK. I have spelled mistake and see this, amazing. That's how you can add end credits to your videos. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for such updates. Thanks.